Hey, wanna see two time zones right on your iPhone 17 Pro Max lock screen? So here how you can easily add a dual clock widget on your iPhone running with iOS 26. So first from your lock screen, tap and hold to enter edit mode. Now you have to choose customize. Now tap this add widgets option. Now from the widget list, you have to scroll down and pick the world clock style you like. Just choose it, and when it's pop up back from one time, now tap on your clock again. And here you have to select the country or city you wanna add, and when you select it, then you can drag and place it above or below the main clock and select whichever looks better to you. Once done, hit done in the top right corner. Now lock your iPhone and boom! You will see both clocks right on your lock screen showing two different time zones in real time. Isn't it really amazing? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.